So let's have a look at the pound dollar. If we cast our minds back to last week, the pound dollar was up here inside these pink line areas, which were acting as a resistance zone. And since then, bang, we've had a move to the downside. And again, this was a big corrective move because of because of Brexit. Price went through 1.4. Price was trading below the low of 2009. And that went on to create lows, which had last been seen around 1984. Since then, the market has rallied a little bit. Is this, is this a turnaround for the pound, or is this just simply a correction before a continuation? We need to let price dictate. If we look at the weekly, below the weekly 200, below the 50, the weekly 50, again, look at the move from Brexit. Price came to 1.5 half figure, came to the weekly, and we had this big bounce to the downside. Again, showing you the significance of technical levels. These aren't just random levels that price just happened to bounce off. These are strategic levels that have been targeted by institutions, and we've since seen significant moves from those particular levels. Here is your correction to 1.5 half figure, and we had this big drop in price. Further, we had a gap, further continuation on Monday. And since then, we're seeing a correction to the upside. If we go to the pound, so in summary, what are we now looking for? I should really summarize this. What are we looking for? Well, from a technical perspective, what I'm looking for is this zonal area, this whole zonal area to hold strong. We are seeing a correction back up to it, but I'd like this zonal area to act as a resistance zone. And I would then like to see further weakness, a break and a close below this level. And we would like to then see price move towards 1.3, 1.2, 1.1, and the figure 1. So if you look on the daily time frame, what we're having now is simply a correction. What we're looking for is a confirmed bearish flag. So a break and a close below here was just a continuation. Until then, you want to be standing aside. Now, dynamic traders, we didn't trade Brexit. We didn't actually trade this news. However, once the release of Brexit had come out, dynamic traders started opening short positions below 1.4. So we didn't take this move here because we were flat prior to Brexit. But dynamic traders opened short positions below 1.4, and these positions are now in profit.